Hello class, today we are going to talk about slope. How fast a line is going up compared to how far it's going over. Here we have a picture of a climber. Is this climber on a flat or is she on a steep climb? Yes, she's on a steep climb. This person is walking in the desert on a road. Is this road flat or is it steep? Yes, this is flat. So this one goes up really quick and over just a little bit. And this road one goes up a little bit and then over a lot. So the way we calculate or determine slope is we make it into a fraction. So there's a top number, that's called our rise number. It's measuring up and down. If it goes up, it's a positive number. If it goes down, it's a negative number. The bottom number of our fraction is our run. It either goes to the left or to the right, but no matter how far it goes left or right, it's always positive. Again, rise is up and down, and if it's down, it's negative. So let's look at this first graph over here on the left. We have a line and then these two dots are on the line. And the way we can tell what the slope is we can kind of make a little triangle. We're measuring the distance up and down and then over between the dots. So this one, if we start here, we start at 0. It's like you're playing a board game like Sorry or Monopoly. You don't count that as anything. So you go 0, 1, 2. So that's up 2. So that's up 2. That's our rise, so that's our top number, 2 here. Sorry, I'm not using top student behavior. I should have made that blue. And then we're going to count our runs. So again, we're starting at that corner and we're counting full boxes. So 1 full box, 2 full boxes, 3 full boxes, 4 full boxes. So the run is 4. So our slope is up 2 over 4. And oops. And this is going uphill, so we say that it's a positive slope. Over here on the right, it's already labeled for us, but we have this line. It goes in both directions forever, and we have 2 dots on the line. We have a point here at 5, but we're not going to worry about that right now. And then we have a spot down here. So let's measure how fast we're going up and down first. We're going to go up 1. Up 2, up 3. So we're going to put a 3 here for slope. But since it's going downhill, I always go from left to right. That's how I know it's going downhill. I could even draw a little person here. Let's put them on a sled or a snowboard. They're going downhill from left to right. So I'm going to make that a -3. So my rise is down 3. And now I'm going to count my run. I go over 1 full box, 2, 3, 4. So my run is 4. So my slope here is -3 over 4, -3/4. And this is a negative slope because it's going downhill. Let's look at another slide. We're on slide 6. So on this slide we have a dot here and a dot over here. Notice that this is gradual. It's more flat. But if we draw our snowboarder over here, is the snowboarder, as the snowboarder goes from left to right, are they starting high and ending lower? If so, it's a positive slope. Oh, my bad. It's a negative slope. It's going downhill. So let's count how many we go down. 1 full box, so our down is 1. So over here on slope, I put down 1. Now I'm going to count my over. So I'm going to go back to that end of the blue line and count how many full boxes over. I start here at 0 and I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my run is 6. So my slope is -1 over 6. Since my snowboarder is going downhill, that's a negative slope, so I circle negative. I'm going to talk about rise and run here again really quick so I don't mix myself up. Again, the top number in our fraction is our rise. It's how quickly it's going up versus down. Notice I have blue over here using top teacher behavior by color coding my rise with color with my rise words. Rise is in blue. It measures my up and my down. And then I'm going to make my run red. So the bottom part of the fraction again is red. It goes over 6. That's my run, R-U-N, R-U-N. And that measures how far left or right. Let's go over to this graph. We have dots again. This graph starts low and ends high. Remember, if it starts low and ends high, it's going up. It's a rise. So it's got a positive slope. So I know that my top number, my rise number, is going to be positive. Let's count up. 1 full box, 2, 3 full boxes. So my slope is a positive 3 up. And now I'm going to switch to red because I'm going to do my run. And from this corner, I'm going to do my run over. And I go over 1, 2. My run is 2. Positive slope is 3 over 2.